Hey guys, Captain Dan here, back again with yet another yacht tour. We have behind me a Sirena 58 Flybridge. She's a beast. I think you'll love her. I want to show you around. Sirena 58 Flybridge. She is 68,000 pounds, 58 feet, 61 LOA. And I'm just going to show you the hull because the striking design of the hull is quite unique. Very plumb bow, sharp lines. She is a semi-displacement hull, so she can travel at 10 knots for almost 1,000 nautical mile range, or she can get up with her Volvo D13 900 horsepower engines. She can get up to about 33 miles an hour. A lot of opportunities, a lot of range, and a lot of options with this vessel. Let's walk and talk as we go. Show you what we think of this vessel. Immediately stepping up into the multiple stairs, you get a large feel for how big this boat is. She has a 17.5 foot beam, 17.7. The amount of space that you have with this vessel is incredible. High side decks. You're able to easily walk while underway. You're not having to worry about guests or anyone. This is up to almost to my waist. You're not having to worry about guests or anyone at a while you're in seas or anything else. The safety features are great. Right up to the bow here, we get unbelievable amount of space. We have huge forward seating, a nice couch, 2 sun pads here. We've got storage underneath this area here. It lifts up, good for some extra dock lines and whatnot. Got your cup holders. We got night lights that will pop up in 4 corners. We're up here, here, over there, and over there. So you've got great entertaining in the evenings. Great storage underneath both of these. Huge areas for fenders, for dock lines, for cushions, anything else you want, pillows or whatever else you might want up here. Head up to the Flybridge in a little bit. We'll show you around, but just look at these windows. These curved windows make this boat feel like a ship. Really is a pretty special boat. We have access through the side door here. Right now we can see it's lit up in red, which means it's locked, but we can unlock and open from the inside. If it is unlocked, we can open from the outside as well. Great for docking. It's, again, if you're coming out to the side of your boat here, you can dock. The helm station, you come right out here, help with lines, or you can hear your deck hands or your crew. The aft cockpit seating area is really spacious. You've got plenty of room. These tables will fold away, or fold halfway, that is, so you can get through on both sides. So it depends on if you're having a full meal out here or just cocktailing, or just need some extra space to get in and out between the seats. Able to do that. Again, on both sides you've got large steps to get you down to your massive swim platform. The swim platform has 1,000 pound capacity, so you've got tons of space, tons of weight capacity for tenders, for jet skis, any of that kind of stuff. And look how big this area is here. So you're able to get, even if your swim platform's lowered, you have plenty of room to walk and entertain in those areas as well. So let's go straight up to the Flybridge. Big, nice stairwell getting up here. And this is where it's at, my friends. The vision, the view, unbelievable. As a captain, having your view up here at the helm, you can look straight down if you're docking on the port side. Got great setup here. Got your, again, this is a Volvo D13 shaft driven, but it does have integrated with bow and stern thrusters, so you can use the joystick. It also has variable speed bow thrusters, bow and stern thrusters, so great use of all the tools that you need. This is a big boat. She's big and heavy, as I said, 68,000 pounds, but she's tall out of the water, a lot of freeboard, so getting blown in a little bit by the wind and docking situations, it's great to have a little bit of the extra tools, whether it's the joystick or the variable speed bow thrusters. Got every tool under the sun up here. Got zip wakes, which will also help you with your rocking side to side. Additionally, there's a seakeeper on this vessel, so not only is she big and heavy, not only is her bow designed to cut through the waves, but you have zip wakes and a seakeeper, which is just massive for all of your onboard comforts. Looking aft from the helm station, tons of seating area, huge dining table up here, and then back here, this is seriously one of the largest flybridges around. Look at how big this aft seating area is. You can add kind of modular seating back here. You can add a couple chaise lounges, chairs. Now you've got your barbecue grill right here, so you're entertaining guests, and your friends are all sitting over here enjoying the view while you're taking in the sights and the sounds of the water. And you get too hot after sunbathing all day, you've got an actual shower right here, so you can take a little sun shower and kind of cool off. Now this boat has a retractable, hydraulically actuated retractable bimini top that'll come up and over, so we can be out of the sun if we'd like to, but if you want to be in the open sun and like we are here today, you can definitely do that. Additionally, we have a hydraulically actuating mast. So from this line here, this mast will actually rock backwards hydraulically, and will lower the height of this vessel so you can get below, which is the lowest bridge in Chicago River that we need to get under to go up and down and see the buildings back there is 18 foot 7 inches, and we are able to clear that once this mast is rocked backwards. Really great feature if you're going to do the Great Loop or any of the other options with a vessel like this. Low bridge clearances on the Erie Canal or something else, you have great visibility and great bridge clearances for that. So really nice. Great storage underneath here, lots of room. There's an ice maker in this one. Great storage underneath here for all your cushions and covers and everything else. Now let's go check out the interior. And these doors will open full all the way to the side. So now you have tons of open air inside and out, all coming together. Full, very little of a threshold here, so you're able to step right in. You're not worrying about people stubbing toes or anything else. Before I forget, you've got a cockpit docking station back here, all the throttles and the tools that you need. Again, variable speed bow and stern thrusters, joystick, so you can have access to using the bow and stern thrusters while using the shaft engines of these Volvo D13s. Got a fridge back here as well. Everything is thought through. So walk straight into your galley, which is your dishwasher here, cooktops, Miele appliances here. Got your fridge, freezer, the ship's, some of the ship's lighting. We'll turn on the engine room lights because they will go down there in a little bit. I'll show you that. Look at all the windows, all of the view from within here. Great. Again, 17.7 beam on this boat, so you have a ton of interior space. Really nice use of it. And again, with these rounded windows, this boat really does feel like a ship when you're underway. It's a little more forward too, so you're kind of up at the bow, so you can see a lot better when you're driving up and down in tight areas. Lots of people moving around and other vessels. It's really great to see. You've got your beautiful helm station here. Got all the, there's your seakeeper, autopilot, large Garmin screens, another Garmin screen that will show you all of your engine data. Your zip wakes again, VHF radio and remote there. Another Garmin screen for your autopilot, and either of these you could switch them up to however you want them. So all of these screens can be edited the way you want them, which is really convenient when traveling everyone has their own setup how they want it, so really nice use of that. Again, variable speed bound stern thrusters, your anchor counter, line counter, so you know exactly how much chain and road you have out. Another smart feature with the Sirena vessels is the ship's systems, and the switches are all right here, right attached to the helm station. So instead of having to go all the way to the back corner where they usually are, somewhere over there, you've got it all right here, right at Captain's helm station. So super easy to get to, and you can start your generator, turn on your shore power, whatever else you need to do, all from right there. Underneath all these seats, there's storage, slide out storage. Again, these tables will fold out and become larger. I can do it right. So whether you want to entertain inside, if it's a cool evening or a rainy day, or if you want to have your dinner outside, you've got all the opportunities. You can have your dinner upstairs as well. Sirena Yachts does all of their woodwork in-house and all of their stainless steel in-house, and you will see some of the reasons why this is just a truly impressive vessel. We can unlock this, and you're able to just simply press the button here. This is a watertight door, thick as can be, heavy door, so you can get, when you're underway, if you got waves crashing aboard or anything else, you don't have to worry about water coming in, but now you're letting air in. Otherwise, you just pull this little pin which locks it in place, and you're able to bring this door back closed. And again, you'll hear it lock in nice and tight. We lock it so we don't have to worry. Of course, there's emergency exit in case you need to use it. Beautiful rounded stairs case here. We'll go forward to the VIP first. Great room up at the bow here, hanging closet, lots of space. You've got your entertainment with your Fusion stereo there. You've got a nice TV on the wall as well. All of these windows can open up. Screens can open up, that is, give you a good view of outside. Or of course, if you want your privacy, you lower them back down into the VIP head. Nice, beautiful rain shower. Curved doors, so they're half moon style. So it really gives you the amount of space that you need once you're in there. You're not a tiny little box shower or anything like that. There's even storage back here, another towel rack. Really good use of all the spaces. Moving aft, we have the day head, which is also attached to the twin bedroom here, so you can use this as a private bathroom at night, or during the day you can use this as a again as a day head. And it does have its own little shower setup as well, so if you have three guests, three couples or family members aboard, you can each have your own retreat, own private bathroom. This is the twin stateroom here. Really nice. This steps down into your area, so you do have lots of room still in here. Storage, TV is still here as well. And again, this is another nice sized window. A lot of these small rooms, the twin rooms, can be kind of forgotten about when it comes to windows like that. And now, is there a stairway upstairs? We'll make our way to the master stateroom. And if you notice again, stainless steel work, Sirena Yachts embossed in each of the thresholds on these doors. Just a really classy feel. Master stateroom. Nice, very large full beam. Again, if you want your privacy, you have your windows down. Big full closet here. Or if you want, open up to the light. You've got great windows those are replicated on both sides. And another long, tall hanging closet. You've got a little area here for makeup, little vanity, large TV, and your master bath. With yet another very large, beautiful rain shower. Got your own little bench seat back there as well. Really nice. And then back here behind the door you have more cabinet space. Great use of all these spaces and beautiful, beautiful finishes. All right, let's make our way into the enormous engine room on this vessel. Absolutely pristine, very, very spacious Volvo Penta D13 900s. Look at how big. The generator's all the way back in the port corner. You got storage all over here, more storage in the back area. Again, Sirena is doing their own in-house stainless steel work, so this huge fuel tank is literally shaped exactly to the shape of the vessel, so you get every inch. You can see it forming into those corners. You get every inch of space that you can use. So they're going to be able to get every drop of fuel that you can in this vessel, which gives you that massive 950 plus nautical mile range at 11 knots. Again, here's your Cummins on generator. I love these floors. Everything is very clean and neat looking. However, if you need to get into anything, for example, your seakeeper is right under here. You're able to just pop these hatches up, and boom, you have access to whatever you need. And then they just pop back into place very easily. So keeps a nice streamlined, really clean look. Easy to access your oil checks, easy to access your transmission checks, everything else that you need on this vessel at your fingertips, and with plenty of room for your friends to come on down here and drool over this massive engine room. Really, really special vessel. All right, guys, yet another yacht tour with Captain Dan and Elevate Yacht Management. I'm going to try to keep you guys entertained here with as many of these yacht videos as I can. We'll be heading to some of the boat shows now that boat show season is about to be upon us, so stay tuned for plenty more. And in the meantime, subscribe to the channel if you are enjoying these videos, and I appreciate you guys watching. Hit me in the comments if you've got any questions, if there's anything else that I can add for you, and answer questions, and I'd be happy to do it. Cheers, guys. Take care.